How to create blood splash effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline, and I want to create a blood splash effect when the axe hits the wood. First, move the playhead to where you want the effect to happen. Then hold down the Alt key and drag your video to above track to create a duplicate from it. Now go to Effects panel and search for Tint, drag and drop Tint effect into your top video. With your top video selected, go to Effect Controls and under Tint, click on Map Black to Color box and choose a red color. Then click on Map White to Color box and choose a brighter red color. Now search for Gaussian blur effect and drag it into your top video as well and set the blurriness to around 50. Now click on New button at the bottom of Project panel and select Color Matte. Use default settings and any color and click OK. Drag the color matter to the playhead position above your clips and drag its end to the end of your clips. Then search for VR fractal noise and drag it into your color matte. Increase the contrast and decrease the brightness until you are happy with what you see. These whites going to be the blood stains in the camera. Now move the playhead to the start and click on stopwatch next to evolution to create a starting keyframe. Then move the playhead a little forward and set evolution to around 50 to change the position of blood stains over time. Now search for track matte key and drag it into the middle track. With the middle track selected, go to Effect Controls and set Matte to Video 3 and set Composite using to Matte Luma. Now select the color matte again, and if you want, you can increase or decrease the stains again. Now I want to hide the blood stains over time. To do that, go to Last Keyframe for Evolution property and click next to Contrast to create a starting keyframe. Then go a little forward in time and set Contrast to 0. Now we have this nice blood splash effect, but I don't want it to be happening at one time to all the screen. Move the playhead to start and use the pen tool to create a mask like mine at the start of your preview. And click on Mask Path Stopwatch to create a starting keyframe. Increase the feather a little bit if you want. Now hold Shift and press right arrow to go forward 5 frames and click on the mask to be visible in the preview, and use its handles to make it bigger. Go forward 5 more frames and increase the mask again to contain the whole preview. And now our effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.